What's up guys, in this video we are gonna show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. Before moving further, you have to make few settings. First of all, you have to navigate Google app, hold the Google app, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser, hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow anyway. Now you have to go back and then here you will see the last option open by default, tap on it, and here you will see the last option clear defaults, tap on it, minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store and you have to download and install Ad Blocker browser. After installation, open this browser and then here you have to open google.com and then tap on sign in and then you will land here. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here. And here you will see this kind of error, could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings. Scroll down and you have to navigate Google option. Tap on Google. And then you will land here and here you will see Google services option. At the top right side you will see three dots, tap on it and here you will see help option will appear, tap on it and then you will land here. Here in the bottom you will see search help, tap on it and here you have to type and then tap on search and then here you will see a bunch of options. From here you have to select third option, scroll down and then here you will see the option recovery phone number, tap on this option, scroll down and then here you will see learn more about how phone numbers are used, tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see the option verify your phone number. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see phone number verification. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option change the phone numbers on your Google account. Tap on this option. And then here you will see the option Google Safety Center, tap on it and then you will land here. Here at the top left side you will see three lines, tap on it and then here you will see the option safety settings, tap on this option and then here you will see second last option privacy settings, tap on it, scroll down and then here at the last you will see help option, tap on it and then you will land here and here you will see how can we help you. From here you have to select the second option, Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here you will see the Google account recovery section. Tap on it. And then here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select second last option, can't sign into your Google account. Tap on this option. And then you will land here. Here you will see can't sign into your Google account. Here you will see select the issue. First option, you forgot your password. In case if you have forgotten your Gmail account password, you have to select the first option. Second option, you forgot your username or the email address you used to sign in. If you have forgotten your Gmail account, then you have to select the second option. Third option, you know your username and password but you can't sign in. If you know the details of your Gmail account but you can't sign in, you have to select the third option. Fourth option, you think someone else is using your account. In case if someone has hacked your Gmail account, you have to select the fourth option. Fifth option, you are having trouble with two-step verification. If you are facing two-step verification issue, then you have to select fifth option. We'll select the fifth option. And then further here you will see a bunch of options. From here you have to select the second option, app passwords are not working. Tap on this option. And then here you will see the option, learn more about signing in with app passwords. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see the option set up only for security keys. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you will see the option add more ways to prove it's you. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option fix problems. Can't sign in. Here you will see the option go to the account recovery page. Tap on this option. And then you will land here on Google account recovery page. Here you will see account recovery, recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here two options, change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password recovery dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. Scroll down. And then tap on change password. You can see changing password. Your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.